Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Lamborghini Miami Prestige Imports. So they've got exotics and espresso today, 10 o'clock, and there's like nobody here. There was some weather reported today, and kind of scared some people off. But the weather is actually kind of nice. There was a light sprinkle of rain. Some of the Lambos here are a little wet, but it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. So I guess I'll just hang out, wait around. Oh look, they got Mike over here. They got coffee and breakfast. So let's go hang out. Hey, what's going on?
How you doing?
How you doing? Hey. That's I think it's what's his supercars, top speed, something like that. Top speed supercar. I forgot the name of his channel, but I'll link it in the description. Oh yeah, that's a spicy boy right there. So this month they're changing things up a little bit. They're making things a little spicy. At noon they're gonna have a REV battle, which I think they haven't had before. I think this is the first month they're doing the REV battle. And what you saw there is probably just like a taste of what's to come. So that wasn't the official REV battle. That's just like two cars coming in, these two white Aventadors. So I just had some breakfast. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be fun. All right, so technically the show had just started because it's still like, I don't know, 10:15 or so. So there's not a whole lot of cars here. So let's head over to Prestige 2.0, where they've got all the supercars and exotics and hypercars. And oh, there's already some more cars showing up. See, I think GT2 RS is here. There's a nice 997 Turbo S. So let's over that way. All right, here's the Turbo S. You got another Turbo S. Is that a Turbo S? I don't know. I think it's a GT3. I don't know. Yeah, that's a GT3. GT2 RS. I think that's my buddy Jason's. Look at this. A lot of metallic flake in this. This is a silver 720S Spider. This is something special. Look at this, dude. Being able to see the interior of the 720S so much more clearly that's a treat. You know, so now you get all the thrill of like what it feels like 800 horsepower now with an open top. So let's head over there. See, there's already look at this, a yellow Hyra. We're not even inside it. We can check out the hypercars. Hey, it's Danny.
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on, man? So let's go for a quick walk around, shall we?
Absolutely, let's go.
You got the LaFerrari. You got Not Big Bird.
Not Big Bird.
It's not Big Bird. We got a Huayra. L'Ultimo Huayra.
L'Ultimo Huayra.
Or no, it's Huayra L'Ultimo. This is Brett's car, you know. We got the Project Vulcan, I think. Is that? Or is that Project Vulcan?
Project Vulcan's over there.
That's Project Vulcan. This is not Project Vulcan. Look at this. This is nice. I love this pearl white color. Oh, Ford GT. Hey, Ferrari Pista. Wait, is it a Pista? Hold on a second. Oh no, this is a 458 Speciale. Speciale Aperta. Oh, these are very rare. These are very. See, at first I thought it was.
These are worth a
Man,
penny.
The 488 and 458 are so similar.
Exactly.
That like, if you just glance at it real quick, you're like, oh, cool 488, or oh, cool 458. You know.
Exactly.
Let's see. 918 SVJ Centenario. Jesus. Some nice cars here. We have back here. Oh, Lotus Evora. Let's go take a look at this. A little showcase in the back here. Look at this. What is this? Evora GT. Okay, I think this is the new model. Look at this. I actually don't know what the specs are on this. So if you guys want to Wikipedia it and post it in the comments, I mean, you know, be my guest. So there we go. You got the 3 Bugattis, got the Chiron, the Veyron, which is kind of cool. It's kind of wrapped in this matte color. Actually, might have been stock like that. I don't know. This is pretty cool. I like this. And the white and black Veyron. And another. Oh, there's 4. There's 4 Bugattis here. 3 Veyrons, a Chiron, and this one here. Very cool. 12 GTR. Oh, there you go. See, this is a Pista. You see what I'm talking about. It looks kind of similar in some ways, but there you go. Ferrari 488 Pista. Got the S-Duct over there. Coming up here. Oh, this is nice. I mean, I've seen him before, but it's always nice to see him again. Carbon fiber. I guess that's the intake manifold. Look at this. Was it burn you? I don't know what that means. Is he a Miami Heat player? Wouldn't be surprised. Look at this. Got an extra duct back there for relieving high pressure air. That's pretty nice. Right. Carbon fiber everywhere. I think the whole car is carbon fiber. Check out this 488. It's got gold wheels. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think I like it that much. Looks okay, I guess. Wheels are too big. You know, when you see a Nissan GTR without a wing, you know it must be fast. And it must be something, they must have really wanted to get rid of all that extra drag just from the wing. So they got a carbon fiber trunk lid just for that. There's just all the carbon fiber diffuser right there. Let's see, 720S. Let's see, I think it's a launch edition 720S. And that's what they put the top up on the Spider. Oh, and this has that special, the electroluminescent or electrochromic or whatever you call it, the roof. It has a cool roof. Jeez, we got this dude making a lot of noise. I mean, what's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? Just kidding. Just kidding. Look at this. F12, V12 Ferrari, GT3 RS, ultraviolet. You know, they discontinued this color. Look at this thing. Excuse me, sir. Rev it up, make it spicy. Ooh. That's spicy. Okay. My ears hurt. GTR, Shelby Cobra, GTR, another Shelby Cobra. Running out of space. Hey, there's no space left. Y'all gotta move over here. There's no space left. Excuse me, sir, I'm going to have to ask you to start it back up and rev it. Too late? Oh, darn it. Look at this. Right-hand drive R34 GTR. What up, brother? Holy shit. Top secret Supra. What's up, man? Trap team. What's up? Holy crap, look at this. E36. Wow. E36 M3 has got the LTW wing. Top secret Supra. Rev battle should be starting up pretty soon. They said they're going to do it at 11:50, and it's 11:50. So let's find these revving cars. Look at this McLaren Senna, beautiful green and yellow spec. It's actually got a Mexico license plate on it. Look at this. That's pretty cool. I guess he must. I don't know if he drove over here or if he had it flown over. But man, look at this. Yellow seat belts, carbon fiber interior. It's got this yellow and green paint job, very British style. Kind of looks like it almost looks like a Caterham or a Lotus. You know, actually reminds me of this Lotus Evora that has come here a couple of times. Really beautiful car. But there's a problem. The front end lift is up. We need to bring that down. So I'm going to try to find the owner and have him fix this problem. You gonna send it down the road? Huh? You gonna run it? Yeah, no taco. All right, guys. Well, I spent some time indoors. I'm all chilled out now. Check out. There's an airplane indoors. But I am pretty much done here. I'm very tired. Came inside to cool down and it's finally chilled out. So might head back to the truck. Maybe I'll head over to my friend's house and help him out with a few things. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Visit finishlinefactory.com for fittings, hoses, all the cool stuff. Follow me on Instagram, Finish Line Factory, and have fun. So, see you guys later. Bye.